It's a pretty simple premise. What if everybody in your team could understand and interact with your BIM models? Not just the nerds with the $5,000 computers, but the clients, the contractors, and all of the collaborators. We all know the problem with BIM. It's huge models, it's extremely slow, and there's buttons peppered all over the place, which makes it pretty much impossible for regular humans to interact with. This is where VIM comes in, bridging the gap, bringing your data in Power BI, where it's visual, focused, interactive, and easy to understand. VIM is built to handle the most enormous BIM projects while giving you full control over your data. Not only that, we're the only ones that combine Power BI and true BIM expertise in one package. Our obsession with large BIM files allows us to bring your projects into Power BI in a fast and efficient manner. This is the perfect place to centralize your data and connect it with finance, scheduling, compliance, all in one secure ecosystem. 3D performance inside of Power BI isn't a nice to have, it's a deal breaker. That's why we built VIM to handle the most enormous projects with no lag. Airports, entire cities, hospitals, they all load in seconds, not minutes. Whether you're working online or in the desktop, our engine stays lightning fast. If you need full control over your data, whether it's for internal policy, security, or compliance, our VIM SDK and Enterprise offering lets you host and manage everything yourself. When it comes to Power BI, the most important thing you need to do is also the first and the most complicated. It's a data model. Now don't worry, we got you covered. You won't need to learn DAX to operate with us. You can just drag and drop your data, and because of our fantastic data model, it'll just talk to each other automatically. We've built over 45 templates built on real BIM workflows. Whether you want to check progress, quality control, or see where the problems are in your model, we've given you a head start with all of these templates. And it's not just templates, it's documentation that's extensive, as well as many training videos. So if you want your team to become experts in Power BI and BIM, you're on the right track with us. Your data matters. When you're working within Power BI, you're leveraging Microsoft's authentication tools. This means you can control exactly who can read and write to your data within the lifecycle of the building. Different roles requires different data. Architects care about BIM standards and delivery, contractors care about site schedules and estimation, while owners want to check in on the progress and the finances. And this is exactly why Power BI is so important. It lets you filter and focus in exactly on the data that matters for your team. Instead of combing through millions of parameters, you can instantly see who's following your LOD and BIM requirements, if elements are on the wrong floors, and which are the worst families in your project. There's 3 ways you can use VIM. You can get started right away on the cloud. If you need full control and faster processing, you can use our Enterprise solution. And for developers, you can use our SDK to build your own app, leveraging our powerful 3D engine and our data stacks. You can try our cloud service right away. If you're interested in our Enterprise or SDK platform, go on our website, book a demo, and we'll be happy to meet your team where you are in your Power BI journey.